So let's see that how you can move a YouTube short forward or backward. I know that it's so much irritating if you want to watch a YouTube short again and you have to wait for a moment to come before the whole YouTube short repeats itself to that moment. So for moving a YouTube short forward or backward, let me first of all open the short section. For example, this is the short I want to move forward. Now there are two steps for moving a short forward or backward. The first step is you have to pause that short. And the second step is you have to slightly move this short up and again down. Again pause and you will start seeing a cursor down to the short that you want to move. So let me repeat for another YouTube short. Just pause the short, slightly move it up and down. Again pause and you will start seeing a cursor which you can use to move a short forward or backward. That's so simple, you know. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for subscribing, by the way.